Morning. So, what do you mean by formula error? So, it is the formula errors topics in present types. So, dear students, formula errors. If you want to write any formula during writing times formula, if any mistakes will theirs, then in formula they will comes. Uh, Solving times they will give a message that is called error message, so if any formula contains error that is not enter correctly, then Excel display an error messages instead of a value. Okay, so dear students, every time you will write a formula, then pay attention there. If any mistakes, then error will comes. Okay, suppose you will write sum equal sign sum, so sum and functions. Okay, so if you are writing sum, then double s will write there or comma or space there, then error will comes. Okay, 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 dear students.
Okay, sir.
Yes, so different
Okay,
errors
sir.
will come. Name errors comes, hash error comes, value error comes, div errors comes. This way errors, a lot of different errors will come. So next topic's name is function. What do you mean by function? So what do you mean by function in Excel, dear students? We will learn about functions. So as you have already studied about Excels. So in Excels, two types of functions are there. How many types of functions?
Two types of function.
Yes, two types of function we will study in this. But what is the use of functions? Functions, open page number, dear students, 76. First common functions. First common functions here given auto sum. So auto sum function. How to first know about how to write a functions. How to write a function. First we will start with equal sign and then put the function name, just like sum, max, mean, etc. Okay, and then in opening and close parentheses are there, put inside the parenthesis address there with clone and then press enter key, then your function will work. Okay, okay, dear.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yes, next topic's name is sum function. What is sum function? According to the name, sum function is used for find the sum total of the cell values in a range. Suppose in your range a lot of values are given, here 10 values are given, then with the help of sum function we will find the total. Okay, any problem?
No, sir.
No,
Yes.
sir.
So yes, auto sum. In your figure, dear students, figure number 5.21. In editings group here, auto sum options given. If you will click
Yes,
on the
sir.
auto sum, there many options will appear on the screens. So first option is sum option. If you will select the cells and click on auto sum and click on sum option, then your total automatically will comes. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, yes. Next is the average function. What is the use of average function? So the average function return the average values in a range. Okay, okay, dear students.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
So how do we find average? All of you know.
Yeah, Yeah, sir.
How to find average function? No. First write equal sign, average, then left parenthesis, and put the values, cell address with clues, and then press enter key. Okay, then your average becomes. Next is max function, mean function, and count function. Max used for finding the maximum value. Okay, largest value. In mathematics, always you are finding now who is the largest number and the smallest number.
Yes, sir.
Yes, same things here. If you want to find a largest number or a smallest number, for largest number we will use max function, and lowest number we will use mean function. Okay. Okay. Any
Okay, sir.
problem?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yes.
No,
So
sir.
click on the same. See, suppose if you want to get the max function and function result or mean function, then how to be write? Simply you will write equal sign, max, and put the cell address where to want. Okay. So first cell to last cell, where to where means here is given C4 to C9, then put and press enter, then your max value will return. Okay. Any problem? Same way we will use max, mean function also, count function also. Okay. Next is the day, month, year, days function. Today, what is the date? So today's function is used to display the current date. Okay, today function. Why we are using today function? Today function we are using for display the date. So if you want to display the date on the screen on Excel sheet, then we will use today function. Okay, dear students.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So first you will write where you want to date. First write equal sign, then today function you will write, then your date will comes. Okay. Same things. If you want to find a day, then write equal sign, day, and left parenthesis and put there today with parenthesis and close parenthesis. Then day will comes. Same way month and year also. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes. Next, function library. So there are numerous functions defined in Excel sheet. Numerous functions, and the library of these functions is very vast. So the functions categories in 7 categories. The functions are categorized into 7 categories. How many categories? 7 categories there. Okay. Okay. In functions categories, how many
Okay, sir.
categories are there?
Sir.
7 categories.
There are 7 categories.
Yes. Name here givens. Look here. Auto sum, financial, logical, date and time, mathematics and tricks. Already given in book. and some functions also given in book. What is the use of some function? What is the use product, sqrt, int function? All these functions are given. Okay. Any problem, dear students?
Sir.
No, sir.
Yes. So SQRT. What is the use of SQRT? SQRT means square. Okay. All of you know about a square? A square of the numbers? Don't know. Power 2. Okay. Suppose 2 के power 2. Then 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 3 के power 2 means 3 into 3 is equal to 9. So that means a square. Okay.
सर
हाँ.
सर इसको लिखना है फंक्शंस को.
यस, सब होना चाहिए. आप प्रैक्टिस भी करना है. आप लोग के पास बुक है ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All of you have book or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir.